Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irma Nur Hidayah. I will present my research about the influence of organization, culture, and work discipline on teacher performance to work motivation as an intervening, which by Dr. Christian Wiradendi and Dr. Wahyu Agung Handarum. The first is introduction. Source empowerment development talk education process. Their teacher role play important in increase quality education in Indonesia. School, intermediate, and lower side private own characteristic teacher will differ in our country because private high school teacher time used to with atmosphere mark norm and rule which and follow interaction head school with use fulfill objective from the owner. The phenomenal about a problem in private high school, the experience by the teacher who teach in private institution often become point of which our interest. And this is the pitch of the result teacher in Banten. And excitement among teacher often considered as indicator assessment quality education in way general. However, increase among teacher too can indicate excess lack among teacher and not enough maximum performance teacher on year previously. This is a diagram of pre-reset by author. The election variable study based on result. The highest score in pre-research, which the underlying important is culture, organization, work discipline, as well as work motivation, and encourage performance teacher. And this is a study preface about the influence variable, and the research result is inconsistent, so the author must be doing research again. There is 7 research question. The first is culture organization influential to motivation work until there is influence between discipline work to perform teacher to motivation work? And there is 7 research proposed. There is 2 research benefit. First is academic benefit, can complete study previously about management, and practical benefit can help organization in make decision about how evaluate performs organization. Literature review. The first variable is performs. There is many definition about performs, and the author take conclusion. Performs which generate from activity teach with done by teacher in text principle and its function. The indicator teacher performs, the author take opinion from Pertiwi 2019 with 4 indicator. The second variable is culture organization. The conclusion about definition culture organizational is system environment which intertwine between individual in something organization which base rule norms applies and that become characteristic typical between organization one which other. The indicator culture organization, the author take opinion Hidayat et al. 2018 with 4 indicator. The next variable is work discipline. The conclusion about definition work discipline is attitude and behavior, somebody which show obedience, faithfulness, regularity, and order on regulation and value which applies in place work as well as do work curtain with is not quite enough answer. And the indicator work discipline I take uh, for indicator, and the next is work motivation. The work motivation is interest and encouragement which owned each individual for do things with relate with work they work, and there is encouragement internal one push decision individual the for do something matter. And the indicator work motivation I take from opinion Maslow et al. 2018. There is four indicator: need confession, need psychological, need connection social, and need actualization self actualization. There is many relevant research, and this is one of them. The framework research and hypothesis formulation, there is 7 hypotheses. The first hypothesis is cultural organization influential in a way direct to motivation until uh, 7 hypothesis work discipline influential in a way no direct to performs organization meditate to motivation work. Methodology. The research methodology from January until February, and the result of population 590, the sample is 160. The scale is Likert scale, range 1 until 5. This is instrument the development about variable. The research methodology collection technique is quantitative with questionnaire and analysis technique by SAMPLS or SMART PLS 4.0. Result and discussion. The dominant respondent is woman, and the dominant age is 21 until 30 years old. The dominant education of respondent is bachelor, and the years of service is 1 until 5 years. Analysis descriptive variable culture organization. The height average is on the code statement BD4. On dimension team orientation, the result of average is 4.394. For the variable discipline, the highest average on code statement DK1 with total average 4.344. Variable for work motivation, the highest average code management statement MT7 with the result 4.456. The last variable teacher performs the highest average code statement KG7 on dimension managed class as big as 4.556. The measurement model study on outer model is test validity and test reliability. The first is convergent validity. All the indicators set valid if factor loading value is the bigger than 0.7. And the result, there is one variable on cultural organization is invalid because the mark or the result is under is under 0.7. So the indicator must we know you we can use the tool and we must remove or delete the indicator. The next is discriminant validity. Discriminant validity test result showing that all the construct really different from construct another construct. And then test reliability, there is 3 tests: composite reliability, Cronbach alpha, and AVE. All the result is reliable because the composite reliability mark minimum 0.7, Cronbach alpha the same, and AVE minimum is 0.5. Inner model, this is the peak of pet coefficient, and then R square, the result R square variable motivation work motivation, the result as big as 0.3130, including moderate or good. And the variable teacher performs also said moderate and good. F square, this is there is level influence, intermediate, small, and tall. The tall or stronger is influential between work discipline to work motivation, and the small or weak is work discipline to teacher performs. K square, the result about the variable teacher performs is relevant, is moderate, and work motivation is relevant, accurate. Test hypothesis. There is result direct effect and result indirect effect. Result direct effect is there is one influential between work discipline to teacher performs. The result is influential, no significant, because p value in here is bigger than 0.05. And the other is influential significant. And then result indirect effect, this is all p value is significant because under 0.05. So the conclusion is work motivation can be variable mediator. Conclusion. There is 7 conclusion. The first, culture organization influential, direct, positive, and significant to work motivation. Number 2, the work discipline influential, direct, positive, and significant to work motivation. Number 3, culture organization influential, direct, positive, and significant to teacher performs. Number 4, work discipline influential, direct, no significant, and negative to teacher performs. 5, work motivation influential, positive, and significant to teacher performs. Number 6, culture organization influential, no direct, positive, and significant to teacher perform. And the last, teacher performs so work motivation as a mediator. And the last, work discipline influential, no direct, positive, and significant to teacher perform to motivation work as mediator. Maybe just it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.